Hello, my elegant fashionistas. It's the last hurrah of the year, and what better way to step into 2025 than in style? Today, I'm sharing 17 stunning and classy New Year's Eve outfits that will make you the star of any party. Whether you're dancing the night away or toasting at an exclusive gala, I've got you covered. Let's dive into these show-stopping looks. For that timeless elegance, a champagne satin slip dress is your best friend. Pair it with a sleek low bun, pearl drop earrings, and a faux fur stole. Perfect for a classy evening in a luxury hotel ballroom. The glow? Oh, it's all in the rose gold makeup. Feeling a little edgy? A silver sequin crop top paired with jeans screams casual chic. Add sleek straight hair, smudged eyeliner, and silver hoops. This look says, I sparkle, but I'm also effortlessly cool. Perfect for those house parties or casual rooftop hangouts. Want to exude romance and sophistication? This deep burgundy off-shoulder velvet dress is your go-to. Style it with a chignon bun, plum lips, and ruby chandelier earrings. Trust me, heads will turn as you step into that exclusive restaurant. Shine brighter than the city skyline in a silver sequin midi dress with bold red lips and loose waves. Pair it with diamond studs and silver strappy heels. This is rooftop party perfection. Monochrome, but make it dramatic. High-waisted black satin pants and a feathered off-shoulder top will have all eyes on you. Bold red lips and a velvet clutch with pearls seal the deal for a sophisticated cocktail night. Let's talk shimmer. This midnight blue sequined halter mini dress is all about catching the light. Add a sleek ponytail, smoky eyes, and strappy silver stilettos for that perfect rooftop moment. For a mix of luxury and comfort, opt for an emerald green velvet jumpsuit with a plunging neckline. Red lips, a gold necklace, and patent leather pumps make it gala ready. A rose gold wrap dress with a thigh-high slit? Yes, please! Pair it with loose waves, peachy lips, and a jeweled hairpin for an ultra-glam dinner party vibe. Who says you can't mix power and sparkle? A metallic silver blazer with matching trousers, a lace cami, and berry lips is the ultimate boss look for an art gallery event. Bring the drama with a black sequin fringe mini dress. Add tousled waves, glitter eyeliner, and strappy heels, and you're all set to dazzle on the dance floor. Playful yet chic, a black tulle skirt with a silver sequin top is a party staple. Style it with a half-up hairstyle, glittery eyeshadow, and silver ballet flats for those fun house parties. Futuristic chic, anyone? A silver one-shoulder metallic dress with a slick ponytail and holographic highlighter will have you shining brighter than the LED lights. Elevate your jumpsuit game with feather detailing. Add winged eyeliner, a sleek low ponytail, and crystal-embellished heels for a rooftop soirée filled with fireworks. A black ruffled organza mini dress is equal parts fun and elegance. Voluminous curls, bold red lips, and statement earrings make this a party must-have. Go full Hollywood glam with a silver satin maxi dress and a white faux fur coat. Classic red lips, diamond jewelry, and silver block heels are perfect for a lavish penthouse soirée. Finally, for that ultimate gala moment, a black and white asymmetrical dress with a bold bow detail is perfection. Style it with a high bun, soft smoky eyes, and pearl-accented accessories for timeless elegance. And there you have it. 17 elegant and chic New Year's Eve looks to inspire your next outfit. Whether you're dancing under the stars, sipping champagne at a gala, or keeping it cozy at a house party, these outfits will have you ringing in 2025 in style. Which look is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fabulous fashion tips. Cheers to a stylish new year!